Hi.
Hi.
علي يلا يلا علي يلا يلا علي
من نعرف مش طبقة. لا مش هنفرجع حاجة.
بس أنا وين؟
Where are you?
Hi, Rev.
Hi.
I miss you.
Hi. Hi, Miss Fatin.
Hi,
Hi.
Zoe.
شو هذا؟
Is everyone talking in Arabic here? Who is talking in Arabic? Hi, Jason.
Hi, Miss. Hi. Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Hi, Rawad. Hi,
Fine, we're good.
Hi, Miss Fatin.
Hi,
Fatin.
Barra.
Hi, Miss Fatin. Hi, Miss.
Ibrahim, hi. I miss you.
علي برجي.
Hi, Miss Fatin.
Hi. Hi, Kira.
علي برجي.
Hi, Fatima. Hi, Fadel.
Hi, Miss.
Hi, Miss. Ali, hi.
Hi.
Yeah, now we will start in 2 minutes. We're going to
والله بدي اقعد او روحي اقري هلا هو اذا بدك وحاولي خليهم حاولي مش شرحت لك انا اول شيء هو صح اوكي هو صح determine
Zahra, I miss you. Hi, Noor.
Miss,
Hi, Yara.
Miss, I want invitation to. Hi. Miss, I have a question.
Yeah, who's asking? Who's talking? Who is this?
Hi. Hi.
Okay.
Hi, Miss.
So let's start. Okay. In this Zoom meeting, we will be taking the weighted Okay. So
Miss, my question. After this session, we.
okay, let me start. If you have any questions, guys, send them in the chat. Okay. I'll mute all of you, so we'll have enough time to finish the lesson and also solve the worksheet. I will make now a short revision of the 2 lessons that we took. 2 very, very easy lessons. We were talking about plants, right? I'll be drawing the 3 types of plants that we talked about, that I talked about in the video, and you have to name them. Okay? Let's see. First type of plants. It's the one with a large size and a one woody trunk. So the first type of plant has one woody stem and a large size. One woody stem and a large size. I'm going to unmute all of you now. What do we call this type of plants? What are these? Three. Good job. Trees. These are trees. Stand down. No questions now. No questions. When I'm done, you can ask.
Miss, the connection, I couldn't hear you so well.
Okay. For the ones having connection problems, please mute yourself. Mute yourself and you will watch the recording later. Second type of plants. Many woody stems. Not only one, they have many woody stems. And a medium size. Medium size. So, many woody stems and medium size. I'm going to unmute all of you now, and I want you to give me the name of this type of plants. What do we call these types of plants? What are these? Trees, shrubs, and we
Shrub.
ورا الصوت هني عم يفهم بس انت من ورا
with
سمع هلا
green stems. So
الوود دي
small size with green stems. What do we call this type of plants? You're unmuted now. What do we call these?
Herb.
Super proud of you. Super proud. I'm super happy. So, one, the trees are large with one woody stem. Shrubs, they have medium size with many woody stems. Herbs, they are small and they have green flexible stems. Flexible, يعني stems can bend. Yalla, show me, how do you bend? Yes, flexible. The stems of herbs are flexible. Herb stems are flexible. Trees, shrubs, and herbs. Trees, shrubs, and herbs. Trees, shrubs, and herbs. 3 types of plants. Tell me now, if people care for these plants, what do we call them? What do we call plants that people care for? What do we call plants that people care for and give them all their needs? Do we call them cultivated plants or wild plants? Yes?
Teacher, I didn't hear you.
Okay, again. So we have 3 types of plants according to their size. We care for these plants. We take care of the plants. What do we call them?
Cultivate.
Cultivated.
They can grow in nature without cultivation. We call them.
Didn't hear you.
If the plants are growing in nature without our help, what do we call them?
Wild.
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 Wild plants. Wild plants. So again, 3 types of plants according to their sizes and the type of their stems. Trees, they are large. Okay, let me show you the pictures. Trees, they are large in size and they have one woody stem that we call a trunk. Shrubs, they have many woody stems with a medium size. Herbs, they are small in size and they have a green flexible stem. Green flexible stem that can move like this and like this. These two are a bit hard. The stems are there, with the woody stems are hard. Okay, can we, if we take care of the plants, we say that these plants are cultivated plants. If we don't, so the plants are wild plants. Do you still have any questions? I will give you 2 minutes to say the answers that you want. Unmute all.
No.
Any questions?
No, I don't have any questions.
Miss, I now come.
فاهمين كتير.
I have a question.
Miss, I now come, so.
Ali, you
Miss,
are the recording.
I come now, so I.
Let me share the worksheet with you.
Miss,
Hi, Jude. Look. Let me, I will do it. I'm mixing 2 minutes. Hi,
who
Jude.
drew on the?
Wait.
Someone's drawing on the screen.
Somebody
is drawing on the screen.
I'm using my laptop.
Somebody's drawing on the screen. Yeah,
That-
somebody's drawing on the screen.
Yeah, that's bad.
Okay.
I don't understand.
Miss,
Hi, Nasiruddin. Hi. Hi, Yara. Hi, Noor.
Miss.
Hi, Jude. Yes, this is so easy. So let's start with this. I'm going to mute all of you. I will mute all of you now.
Yes,
Yes, miss.
yes,
I want
that's
to sing. I know come, so I do not. I do not do any question.
Okay, Hala, we will be doing the questions. Hala, now we're going to
But
solve the questions.
but I already know everything,
Great.
so I'll mute myself.
Okay. I will start the first question. يلا يا علي جباعي. علي جباعي is a new student. Ali Jbari, we have to indicate, we have to tell if the plants shown in the figure are wild or cultivated. What do you think? Unmute. Yalla ya Ali. What about the first one? What do you think? What about these flowers? Are they cultivated? Oh, excellent. Wild plants. Perfect. +1 for Jbari. +1. Yalla ya Ibrahim. Ibrahim, the second one. The strawberry plants. The strawberry plants, are they cultivated plants or wild plants?
Cultivated.
Excellent يا إبراهيم. +1. يلا. علي فواز. Ali Fawaz, what about these? What about these plants? Are they wild plants or cultivated plants? Yes, dear.
Cultivated.
Excellent, يا علي. Cultivated plants. Perfect. يلا رضا. These flowers, what do you think, يا رضا? Unmute. يلا رضا, what are these? Cultivated or wild plants? What do you think? Wild plants. Excellent, يا رضا. +1. Where's Bella? Is Bella here? What about these flowers, Bella? Let me find your name, ya Bella. Okay. What about these flowers, ya Bella? Cultivated or wild?
Wild.
Wild.
They are wild.
Wild plants. Mia Yahya, we're talking about the last picture now. +1, ya Bella. Mia Yahya. What about the last picture, ya Mia? Wild or cultivated? I can't find Mia's name. Try to unmute yourself, dear. Okay. Cultivated or wild? What do you think?
They're cultivated.
Cultivated. The land looks so clean. It looks that seems that someone is caring for these plants.
Because
These are
clean because it looks neat and clean.
excellent, Mia. Perfect job.
That's all.
Okay, let's continue now. Question.
Did I get a +1?
Yes, for sure. Question number 2. Yeah. Is Fadil here? Fadil, are you listening to me? Fadil? Fadil was here 5 minutes ago. Okay. Because you didn't write your name, ya Fadil, it's hard for me to find you. Yeah. I've unmuted you, miss. I'm going to read the definition, and you have to tell me now, are we talking about tree, herbs, or shrubs? First one, ya Fadil. Kind of bush and small to medium in size woody plants. So they are small to medium in size. They are bigger or taller than herbs, but smaller than trees. What are we talking about here?
Shrub.
Shrubs. Excellent. +1. Bravo. So these are shrubs. We're talking here about shrubs. Yeah. Fadia. Ready, ya Fadia? Yalla, ya Fadia. Second definition. So Fadil, you won 1 bonus point. We're talking hala ya Fadia about woody plants with long stems. They have many branches and they are supported by trunks. What are we talking about? Trees, shrubs, or herbs? Yes, Fadia. Trees, excellent. Good job. Trees. Last one. Let me choose. Altaf. Altaf, are you ready? Yalla, last one, ya Altaf. They are not woody. So the last definition, we're talking about non-woody stems. So the stems are not woody. They have flexible stems.
Herbs.
Herbs. Good job. And they are short. They have a small size. So we're talking about herbs. You all did an excellent job. Altaf +1. Fadia also +1. You're doing an excellent job, dear ones. Let's move now to the third question. Okay, you're sending me messages in the chat. Okay, Karim, I will choose you. Hassan Zalhout, I will choose you. Yeah. Let's see. Lama is here too. طب يلا. Let me go with Karim. Karim? I unmuted you, miss.
Yes.
Okay. So we're talking now about Daphne. Daphne plants are poisonous. What do we consider them? Look at the picture and tell me. Are they herbs, shrubs, or trees? Yeah. Mariam, you can help Karim too if you want. Mariam, listening to me?
Yes.
What about the Daphne plants? Are they trees, shrubs, or herbs?
Shrubs.
Why? Due to what?
Due to their many
What?
woody stems.
Many woody stems. Excellent. And you can say due to their medium size. So they are regarded as shrubs due to their many woody stems. Yalla ya Karim. Karim, do you want to try to do the second one?
Miss,
Yes.
can I do the second one?
Who are you? Who's talking?
Altaf.
Altaf, you got your chance, right? Yes. Maria, 2 points.
Miss, I didn't understand so well because the internet is so bad.
Who is talking now? Yalla yalla. Lama, ready? Yalla yalla. We're talking about bamboo. About the bamboo now. Can you see their pictures? Bamboos, they look like trees. But what are they? Are they trees, shrubs, or herbs? What do you think? Are they trees, shrubs, or herbs? They are herbs. Because what? Because of what?
They have woody stems.
Because they have. How are their stems?
Woody stems. Wood.
Woody, brown stem. Do you think so? Because they have. What's the color of their stems?
Woody stem.
Who's saying woody stems? Is this Lama or somebody else?
Miss عم بقطش صوتك.
I don't understand Arabic. Salma Tiba.
Green stem.
Green
stem.
Green stem.
Green stems. Excellent. So we will give Lama +1, Selma Tiba +1. Great job, miss. So bamboos, they look like trees, but they're not trees since they have green stems. Yalla, Ali. Bayan here. Yalla ya Bayan. What about the banyan plant here, Bayan? What do you think? Which group does it belong to?
Woody.
Trees, shrubs, or herbs? Is it a tree? A shrub? Tree. Excellent. So it belongs to the trees group. Since it has, what does it have?
Green leaves and woody.
A woody. What does it have? A woody what?
Stem.
Stem. Excellent. It has one woody stem called
One
a
stem.
stem. We call it a trunk. Yeah. Bayan, 2 points. Let's see. Mira. Is Mira here? Mira.
Dill is an annual herb.
Herb. Excellent. It's what in size?
Small.
It's small in size. Excellent. And has stems. How are the stems? How
Tender.
are tender stems? Or what can we say other than tender?
Green.
Green stems. Mira, 3 points. Amazing job. Yeah. Let's move to question number 4. You're doing an excellent job. Okay, please, if you're all listening to me now, show me a big smile on your faces. If everything is okay, show me a big smile. If you're not smiling, this means that there is something you didn't get. Show me a big smile. Great job. Let's see. Okay, if everything is clear, please raise your right hand. If everything is clear, raise your right hand. Clap twice. Clap twice. Great job. I'm so proud of all of you. I'm super proud. You're doing an excellent job. Are you tired? We still have 2 questions.
Miss, you didn't pick me yet.
Miss, I want to.
Yalla, I will pick all of you.
Miss, the third picture, it's what? Is it a shrub? A shrub or a...
Pick me, pick me, pick me.
Who is this? Yalla ya Tala. Tala. Here? Yalla ya Tala. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants on earth. It's a name for over 1,400 species of giant grasses. So bamboos actually are grasses. All species of bamboo have hollow stems. Yani they have stems that are empty from the inside. You can see through their stems. Okay, Tala? First question. What is one characteristic of bamboo stems? What can you tell me about the bamboo stems? How are the bamboo stems? If you know the answer, please show me your hand. I'll give you the chance to give me the answer. Yalla ya Hassan Zawood, did you get your chance? Let's see. Abbas Fadlallah. Abbas, I miss you, miss. Ali Nasiruddin too. How are the bamboo stems? What can you tell me about the bamboo stems? How are they?
Bamboos are a tree like
We're talking about
in a tree.
Ali. Wait. Don't read. It's just one word. One word. How are the stems of the bamboo plants?
Tall.
They are tall. Okay, tall. I'll give you +1 for this. Ali +1. Something else. Yalla ya Ali Basma. What can you tell me about the bamboo stems? Yes?
The bamboos, they are herbs. They are super tall and they grow super fast.
They grow super fast. Excellent. I'll give you +1 for this too. Ali Basma. Yalla. Something else other than they are tall and they grow so fast. What can you tell me about the stems of the bamboo plants? Don't talk in Arabic. Joel, you didn't get your chance. Yalla ya Joel. What can you tell me about the bamboo stems? How are they?
They have hollows
They
inside.
are hollow. I was waiting for this answer. They are hollow. This means that they are empty from the inside. Okay? Are they perennial, ya Hassan Basma? Do they live for a long time? +2, ya Joel. Do they live for a long time? Hassan Basma, what do you think?
Yes.
Are they perennial? Do they live for a long time?
Yes.
So I'm gonna read to you. Some species, some kinds of bamboos, they make flowers one time and then they die directly. So does this mean that they are perennial? Do they live for a long time?
No.
No. Yara, hi.
I don't understand.
Hi, Yara. Yara, what is the type of bamboo plant? The bamboo plants, are they trees, shrub, or herbs?
What?
The bamboo plants. So I will give Yara the chance to answer. Let me see, come in. Salma Abdullah. Salma, did you give any answer? Yes, Salma. Salma and Yara, it's your turn now. What can you tell me about the bamboo plant? Is it a herb, a shrub, or a tree?
It's a herb.
This Salma talking?
Miss.
Yes.
Miss.
Okay. So why, Salma, do you think that the bamboo plant is a herb?
Because it has green stems.
Perfect. +2 points, ya Salma. Excellent. Look at the picture. The bamboo plant has green stems, so it's a herb. So we should write here, let me add a text better for me. The bamboo plant is a herb. It has green stems. And it is not perennial. It doesn't live for a long time, which is another characteristic of herbs. Shrubs and trees are perennial, but herbs aren't perennial. They don't live for a long time. But shrubs and trees, usually they do. They live for a long time. Clear? So we, 65 messages, guys. Green stamps, you were sending hello. I'm answering. Who is this? Tala. Tala, I didn't hear you. I'm really sorry, dear. Okay. I know them. Yes, I know. That.
Yes, I know.
For the last time, if everything is okay, show me a big smile. We still have one question and we're done. Okay, great job. Rawat Farhan, hi. Zahra. Rev, did you give any answer? Okay. Last question. I will be doing it myself if you want. Yeah. People cultivated plants about 10,000 years ago. It's a long time ago. Farmers planted the seeds. Okay, yalla Rev. Hala, you'll get your chance. Yeah. Farmers put the seeds of plants. They make sure to give them enough water. They put them in the sun. The first cultivated plants were wheat, lentils, and types of wheat. Plants, we cultivate plants not only for food. We cultivate cotton to make clothes. We cultivate flowers for decoration. Yalla ya Rev. Yalla هلا Mia, I'll listen to you حبيبي. Rev, indicate what plants need to grow from the text here. Let me unmute you. Jude also. Jude, you didn't give any answer. Yalla hala, I'll give you the chance to. What is Rev's name? Noor, are you here? Unmute. I've unmuted Noor. I'm looking for Rev's name now. Yalla ya Rev. What do plants need to grow?
Water and sunlight.
Water and sunlight. Excellent. They wrote this in the text. They wrote that farmers give the plants water and sunlight. Yeah. 2 points, Rev. Excellent job. Noor, are you here? Noor? Yalla ya Jude. Jude, it's your turn now. Unmute yourself, please. We still have, yes, we're done. We just have these questions now. So it seems that Jude isn't here. Yara. Okay, man. Yalla Jude. Give the name of the person. Give the name of the person that takes care of cultivated plants. What do we call it?
Farmer.
Farmer. Excellent. Bravo, Jude. +1. So they wrote in the text that the farmer takes care for the plants. Hassan, who is this Hassan? I can't see your face and you didn't write your family name. Let's see. Rawat Farhan. Yalla ya Rawat.
Miss.
Rawat, how a farmer takes care of the plants? What does he do?
He watered them.
He waters them
And he
and he where does he put them?
sunlight.
He put